Hey there, welcome to another movie about Bitcoin news. Bitcoin has gained a very small amount of extra ground today. Today has been mostly quiet. We saw even more ups and downs in the stock market. The price of Bitcoin went up a little yesterday. BTC hit the 65,790 level yesterday. This was the next higher Fibonacci extension, which was the 65,800 level. At the increase of 1.618, but today it went up to the next fib level. We had two here, and they were very close to each other between 6.3K and 66.3K and 66.5K. It was touched by the market. Okay. In fact, it's pretty interesting. Bitcoin has been very good at following these Fibonacci extensions. As you can see, there were responses to the 1.38 extension, then the 1.618, and now the 1.786. These are not really structural resistance levels, but we did talk about that level down here. It's interesting that these FIB values work so well sometimes. And this doesn't move enough to say that we've seen any kind of top or so. It's possible that a top has formed, but it depends on what time frame you select. In other words, I need a break below 61,860 to be sure that a real solid top has formed. This is my warning level. It's the golden ratio of the rise from the low point on September 18th to now. Because this is what the system I'm following tells me. The third wave and a break below the 61.8 retracement of that third wave in a diagonal would mean that we're going too low for this to be the start of a fourth wave pullback with one more high. As I said yesterday, I'm still keeping an eye on prices going up as long as we hold support. However, the higher we go, the more likely it is that prices will go back down to support. Since we're also getting farther away from that support area and the market is now getting pushed. It's not like it's very long or anything. It's not a strange upside addition. That's not how it is. So the 1.786 level for a third wave is not out of the ordinary, but I think this is where the wave 4 pullback could begin. All of that is possible as long as this wave count is right. I told you about another possibility. The top might have already formed and a bigger pullback might be underway. But a break below 61,860 is needed to be sure that the risk has really gone up. It was yesterday or the day before that we said one or two more highs. That's what I was looking for. It was pretty clear that it was still positive. We've now reached a new high. Now we can wait and see if we also get that extra higher high. Okay, to show you what I meant, the level should be clear. This means that if it goes up even more, the next area of support is between 67,300 and 67,400. And if we look at the Bitcoin daily chart, on the Bitcoin daily chart below, you can see what is likely to happen or the next important support area. If we break below the upper support area I just talked about. Okay, let's say we break through the support on the 1-hour chart. Then it makes sense to look at the daily chart to figure out what the next important support area is and where we should be looking for it. That's the area around 60,830 and 55,480. In the white scenario we are following, this could be the case. This is the bullish count and this is the support area for the B wave break. In the comment section of the last movie, someone asked me, why is the third wave an ABC? The answer is very simple. Wave 1 is an ABC. That means the third wave also needs to be an ABC. Also the fifth wave, that's what this chart is showing right now. It would be a good sign if we see a break below both the upper Fibonacci support area I just talked about on the shorter time frame and the trend line we added earlier today. That would mean that at least the white B wave has begun, or something more bearish could happen, which could still be a bullish scenario. If the price starts to fall, we can keep an eye on this support area for a bounce or the lower one. But for now, I'm going to watch the top one first. Also keep in mind that the red trend line could be a key breaking line. But there's not much else to say. The day was pretty slow. There might be a little more going on over the weekend. I don't think so, but we'll see. I hope you liked the news. Please leave a review and click like if you did. And join. If you enjoy the videos a lot, please look into becoming a member of the channel. Also, don't forget to follow us on Instagram and Twitter for more posts. Thank you very much for watching.